Okay, ln of x dx. Well, I know I actually know the answer to this by heart. It is x ln x minus x plus some constant c, right? Now, this is the true answer. Now, I want to show you how to get to this answer. Okay, so we can start actually let me just write out the formula that we're going to use. So it's going to be this integral, we'll describe it as u dv. Okay, and then this is equal to u minus v du. So yes, this is integration by parts. We will use integration by parts to get to this. Now what we assign u and dv is going to be tricky because we only have ln of x in here. This is our only integrand. There's not this times anything, right? Well, actually there is this times something. We have ln of x. That's an ugly ln of x. We have ln of x multiplied by 1 dx. So that's a secret. That's all it is just that there is a 1 here. There's really a 1, right? It's not a 0, it's not a 2, it's a 1. So sometimes you gotta think even simpler, right? That's the trick, is to think simple. Okay, now what should we call u? Okay, well if we call this u, and if we call this maybe dv, then what happens? Well then, if we take du, so if we want the derivative of this is u, and we want the derivative of this, so then that is equal to 1 over x dx. Okay, and that's just the integral of that's just the derivative of ln of x. We have this memorized now. Okay, what else do we want? Okay, so we want v, well, we have dv is equal to 1 dx. But if we want v, then we just must integrate both sides. So we take the integral of this and the integral of this. So it'd be dv is equal to 1 dx. And yes, that is just another more complicated way of saying v is equal to x. So we have v, we have dv, we have du, and we have u. We have everything we need to complete this integration by parts formula. So let's write it out. This is going to be equal to, what's u? U is ln of x. What is v? V is x. Okay, then minus, and what do we have here? Well, we need v and du. So v, okay, v is equal to x. And what is du? Du is equal to this over here. 1 over x dx. Okay, and then you can see that this is equal to, now if I just put this x in the front, just to make it look like this is going to be x ln x minus 1 dx. As you can see, these x's go away, right? Thus, all we have is x ln x minus x plus some arbitrary constant c. So there we go. That is how you get to the answer. And if you ever need to memorize this, I mean, you should memorize this because ln of x integrals will come up a lot later in your other calculus classes. But if you forget, remember, there always is a 1 here, and then you can just use integration by parts.